Hey everyone, it's me again. How's your Tuesday? So I'm very excited to share with you our latest facial oil. So I already put my Youthfinity serum here. As I mentioned earlier, this one has Alpen rose and peptide, so it helps to hydrate your skin. On top of that, it helps to firm up the skin really well. You can see that this part, my laughing lines used to be very heavy, but now you see it's so firm up. Okay, so and then after that, right, I'm gonna use my facial oil. Okay, guess what's inside? Okay, it has 24 karat gold peptide inside. So we all know that gold is very beneficial for you. And then also on top of that, it has squalene. So I actually wrote down some notes where I just want to tell you what is squalene all about. Squalene is the latest moisturizing texture agent ingredient. Okay, it's very lightweight. Okay, so it absorbs quickly into the skin, so it's not very oily like oil kind of thing. People think that, oh my god, I need to put facial oil on my face, it's going to be very oily, and you know, it's not going to be easily absorbed. But squalene inside this facial oil, it is lightweight and non-greasy, so it makes it suitable for oily skin, combination skin, and normal skin, and dry skin, so it's for all skin type. And this natural emollient helps lock moisture into the skin, and then it also contains major anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps to reduce redness, swelling, and also makes it ideal for those people who have eczema. They will love it, and those who have rosacea, they will love it. And then if you have dermatitis, you will love this one. This one helps to soothe the redness. And on top of that, although we have oily skin, but actually our oil sebum production is very active. That's why we produce more oil than the normal people, but we still need moisture, so that's why squalene helps to reduce those. Because if your skin is like that, if your skin is dehydrated on the surface area, your oil production will produce even more. You get it? So that's why you have this squalene, right? It helps to reduce the oil from producing even more because you have enough moisture on the surface area. Plus, this one has Alpen rose inside, so we have been mentioning Alpen rose. So the beneficial of Alpen rose, right, helps to enhance firmness and youthfulness and luminosity. So I want to show it to you. It's very lightweight. Okay, it absorbs really quickly into the skin. So I actually apply it here and here as well, because you know why? As we grow much more matured, right, your age, right, will reflect on here as well. So I actually love this facial oil. I only use it at night, but sometimes, right, if my skin is dry, okay, I also use it when I will use facial oil actually with my moisturizer when I go to a cold country. Like for example, when I go to London, I actually use a facial oil on top of my facial cream, because it's about 0 degrees and below. You know, don't kid yourself that you can just get a moisture cream and you can actually moisturize your skin. It's not enough. You need an oil as well as facial cream. So Celine, my best friend, right, she actually followed what I said and she loves what I advise her. So I'm really glad that she really followed what I said. So you know, I'm applying the facial oil on my chest area and neck area as well. So I only use it at night, and I'm also using it on my hand, so, and my lips. It's because my lips is very dry right now these days. I find that as I reach 40 and above, right, it's really quite drying. It's normal. It's not normal drying. It's really dry. Yeah. So you know, if you're interested to try this and you're not served by any Mary Kay consultant, please call me, PM me for details. My link is in my bio. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.